You ever notice that Jamaicans have a way to laugh off the more serious things? Watcha, these are the things we take for joke, but everybody else treat like life or death. Other countries treat bad dreams like warning signs. Jamaicans, my dream say me teeth a drop out. Everybody say, who dead? We don't get scared. We start calling family to see who not answering. Hurricane Category 5, America boarding up windows. Jamaicans outside in the storm saying, me just a check if breeze really a blow so hard. Next clip, man video himself in the rain like content creator. Foreigners hear the word witchcraft, they're gone in fear. Jamaicans, we laugh and say, I know me, I shade them a work pan. Meanwhile, everybody stays asleep with Bible under him pillow. Other people buckle up, check mirrors, pray. Jamaicans hop in the taxi and shout, driver, touch the gas. Then scream like it's a roller coaster going down Spur Tree Hill. People overseas hear a noise, call the police. Jamaicans hear a noise and say, I dupe with that man, come make we go look. Then still walk around the house like them brave. Other places, spicy food come with warning. Jamaicans, give me a little more pepper there, make it burn me. Cough, cry, drink water, still go back for more. Most places, if someone falls, people rush to help. Jamaicans, them laugh first, then ask, you good? And if you're vexed, that make it worse. In other countries, kid gets hit by a football, concern. Jamaicans, little boy get clap in her face. Everybody laugh, even the coach. But one thing about Jamaicans, even when life's serious, we find a way to laugh. Drop a comment if you can relate. Oh, my dear.